Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can connect your ASUS laptop to your AirPods. So first, what you need to do is that you need to have AirPods on pairing mode. So you're gonna close down the AirPods, open them, and when you're gonna open them, just press from the back the button, and then it's going to flash white. And then what you just need to do on your ASUS laptop, you're just gonna be in Bluetooth and add the Bluetooth device, Bluetooth, and you're just gonna connect it to the AirPods to your ASUS laptop. So that's how you're gonna do it. It's super simple. You will got it. I believe in you. So thank you very much for watching and hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.